What's going on, guys? Howtoadvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make an eggless cake, the best way. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and let's get into the video. This eggless cake recipe is out of this world. Its sweet buttery flavor and light and moist texture make it ideal for any celebration. This is my new favorite recipe for any eggless cake. People with food allergies find it difficult to celebrate special occasions such as birthdays, school parties, and so on. Egg allergy, in my opinion, is one of the most difficult food allergies to manage because eggs are hidden ingredients in so many foods. That is what I mean. Celebrating through food is a big part of our culture. Eggless cake recipes. If you've been having a bad day, you know what can instantly make you feel better. Yes, a piece of cake has the power to fix everything. Don't you think so? Nothing beats biting into a light, moist cake with a tender crumb. And if you enjoy baking, you will understand the joy it brings to create sinful treats that make everyone drool. Baking is all about selecting your favorite ingredients, combining distinct flavors, melting and whisking butter, whisking a smooth batter, and, of course, watching it rise and turn golden. The best part for many of us will always be dressing it up and putting it all together. The beautiful icing. Do's and don'ts of baking. Here are some baking secrets to get you started, and once you've got the hang of it, there are endless variations. To keep the cake's texture, take your time beating the fat, butter or oil, and sugar mixture to make it more airy. Beat it until it's light and fluffy, but don't overbeat it. If you overbeat the batter, the cake will sink in the middle when it bakes. If you add the dry ingredients all at once, the airy batter you made by beating the fat and sugar will deflate. Separately, combine all of the dry ingredients, and then add this mixture little by little. To keep the airy texture you created, gently fold in the dry ingredients. When making an eggless sponge cake, it is best to remove it from the mold as soon as it comes out of the oven. Cooling it for an extended period of time may cause it to become dense and flat. If you're going to use vinegar or lime juice, add it at the end. Excessive use of raising agents can cause your cake to droop and dip. Use with caution. Cool the cake on a wire rack to allow air to circulate and prevent it from collapsing. Baked goods at their finest. Here are our 10 best eggless cake recipes, which are deliciously sticky and moist, and taste just as good without eggs. We guarantee you will not be disappointed. 1. Atta cake without eggs. This rich cake is healthier than regular cake and won't make you feel guilty about the calories. This atta cake is distinguished by the aroma of cinnamon and the crunch of nuts. A light, fluffy, delicious, and soft cake made without eggs. What could be better for a light dessert after dinner or as an evening tea time snack? 2. Eggless marble cake. How we love those vanilla and chocolate streaks. Make way for this classic tea time treat, only this time it is eggless. The good old marble cake made eggless with milk and vinegar. It's moist, fluffy, tasty and a soft texture, with the blend of chocolate and vanilla flavors will make you forget your diet plans. 3. Eggless almond and cashew cake. A spongy, soft cake studded with almonds and cashews. This eggless cake, topped with grated coconut, is ideal for serving to guests with a cup of tea. You can serve it plain or with whatever toppings you want. 4. Pineapple pastry without eggs. There is no substitute for a classic pineapple pastry. This rich and smooth pineapple pastry is made with sponge cake layered with cream and chopped pineapple and topped with whipped cream. All of this without the use of an egg. With this party pastry, you can't go wrong. This delicate cake, layered with pineapple and cream, will have you hooked. 5. Date cake with no eggs. When served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, this nutty treat with dates and almonds is delicious. Dates are well known for their high protein and vitamin content, as well as their iron content. A cake made quickly and easily with dates and no eggs is a surefire treat that doesn't compromise on health. Don't be afraid to indulge in this delectable eggless cake. 6. Le Tourinois is a French word that means the Tourinoise chocolate chestnut cake. A recipe that is both simple and delicious. This French dessert is made with bitter chocolate, chestnuts, toasted fennel seeds, and vanilla and rum flavoring. A no-bake cake recipe that can be made in an hour and refrigerated overnight. The flavor of chestnuts is perfectly combined with the richness of melted chocolate. 7. Pressure cooker eggless vanilla cake. Is there no oven? Not a problem. It's as easy to make this cake in a pressure cooker as it is in an oven. This eggless vanilla cake is simple, fuss-free, and ready in an hour. It has a sweet buttery flavor and a light moist texture that makes it ideal for any occasion. For a sinful treat, top it with buttercream frosting. 8. Chocolate cake without eggs. Nothing beats this sticky sweet for satisfying your chocolate craving. You'll love the gooey texture of this rich and dense cake. This moist and squidgy chocolate cake recipe without eggs is ideal for your child's birthday or any other special occasion. Nothing beats a homemade chocolate cake for satisfaction. 9. Eggless banana cake sweet. Ripe bananas are paired with nutty walnuts in this cake. This is a simple recipe for using up overripe bananas. Eggless banana cake is a quick and easy eggless cake recipe that you can make for a party or just to enjoy with a cup of tea on the weekend. 10. Truffle cake without eggs. You're in for a treat with layers of dark chocolate ganache and soft sponge. A truffle cake never goes out of style. And this time it's eggless and oh so delicious. With all of these eggless, decadent cake recipes, you can begin baking and serving the sinful treats to your loved ones. Thank you for watching the entire video, good luck and stay tuned.